Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add contacts on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the phone app. If you're on Recent or Keypad or ViviWrite, go ahead and click on Contact. Click on the plus button at the top right. Then you should see the contact page. Type in the first name. Type in the last name. Now scroll down. Click on Add Phone. Go ahead and type in the phone number you want to add. Then again, scroll down. You can add other information. You can also add different ringtone and text tone. After that, go ahead and click on the check mark at top right. Then you should see the contact added. And then to access the contact on your iPhone, all you simply need to do is go ahead, open the contact on your iPhone by clicking on all contact, click on search. Now you can now go ahead and search for the contact you are looking for. You see that? And that's it. So that's exactly how to add contact on iPhone. So you want to repeat this for all other contacts you want to add. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.